Smartphones and social media, which dash in lockstep to dash our attention on the smaller screen, have been a great rebundling of new services. So one of the clue words is lockstep, right? What does that mean? Lockstep matlab? Have you heard of this word? Is it a new word? Is it a new and unfamiliar word for a lot of you guys? Some collocations Shilpi's got back, right? In fact, both the blanks have proper collocations. So what's a lockstep? If something is in lockstep means, you've heard the word in tandem, the phrase in tandem, T-A-N-D-E-M, to work in tandem, to work in lockstep. These are all actually collocations, phrases, right? So lockstep means combined together, yes, working side by side, right? That's what it means. So work in tandem also same meaning, to work together, right? So smartphones and social media, both of these are working in tandem, are working in lockstep to do what? To focus our attention, focus on. This is another collocation that we know, right? Our attention on the small screen have been a great rebundling of new services. That's it. Nothing else makes logical sense at all. Which empower in lockstep? No. Which dodge? What is the meaning of dodge? Like if somebody throws a ball at me and if I duck, I'm dodging the ball, right? Doesn't make sense in the context, right? To dodge in lockstep. To enact in lockstep? No. We're not talking about acting here. What is the meaning of fray? Option E, F-R-A-Y. Fray, fray. Fray means, Sony, I just said why it can't be 2, right? Because of dodge. And if you look at the context is saying something positive, no? And dodge is a negative word. I don't need dodge. I'm talking about, hey, smartphones and social media are working together to do something, right? The context is positive. In fact, that will be the first option that I will eliminate. But if you don't know the meaning of dodge, yes, I understand. You can get stuck. What is the meaning of fray, guys? F-R-A-Y means what? Focus our attention on. Okay, nobody is giving me the answer. Basically, fray means like, now it's become fashion, right? If you look at our jeans and all, at the bottom, if the threads start coming out, that means the jeans is frayed, okay? But another meaning for frayed is if somebody is frayed, which means they're getting irritated, they're getting annoyed, right? Like somebody is upsetting you, that's when you get frayed. Okay? Are you following? So if you don't get access to the portal, let's say for one whole week, you'll get frayed. Like, what the heck is happening? Why don't I have access to this portal? My password is correct, my username is correct, what's wrong? You get frayed, you get annoyed, you get upset, okay? So, in the context again, which fray in lockstep just doesn't make sense, right? So, E also is out. So, the answer is to work in lockstep, that's our collocation, and focus on is another collocation, that's it. In terms of a noun, right, in terms of a noun, that's why I'm saying if the cloth that I'm wearing, right, if it's an old one, wear and tear, I've used it so many times that the threads in the cloth start coming out, yes, that is what fray is. And that can, instead of saying constant rubbing, I think you've taken the literal meaning online. But basically what it means is, as a noun, it means that your cloth is, a good example would be your jeans, the jeans that you wear, right? Now it's become fashion. Like if threads come out, it's a fashion. The second is adjective. Chalo.